Welcome back. The dish that we're going to make today is super easy. It's a masala egg fry. Let's see what the ingredients are. Boiled eggs. I have taken 4 here and cut them into half. Next we have a little water to make the spice paste. Let's see what the spice powders are. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and optionally you can also add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala or chicken masala. That's completely optional. As you see, it hardly takes about 5 to 10 minutes to make this dish. Let's see how it turned out to be.